good afternoon. It's raining outside. Kapuyo gawas. So, ganihara ning uwan. Nga, akong baby ug ako. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Naarami sa balay kay kapoy tugnaw. Nga, isa tugnaw. Naarami sa balay whole day. And we're like lazy Susan. Narami tanaw TV, tanaw sa bintana, kasi mangagi, kasi maabot. Nya, muhuwat. Huwat ga mo to ang uwan para mapalit og sudan kay gigutom ko. When this kind of weather makes you hungry, like for real hungry. Every time it's raining, you would love food. Especially me, because I love food. I love food. I'm fat. I'm chubby, and trans in our family, we're chubby chicks. And it's still raining. Won't stop. See you on my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
One.
Huh?
One.
Huh?
Love you. Thank you.